The Boeing 747 is a wide-body commercial jet airliner and cargo aircraft, often referred to by its original nickname, Jumbo Jet, or Queen of the Skies. Its distinctive, hump upper deck along the forward part of the aircraft makes it among the world's most recognizable aircraft, and it was the first wide-body manufactured by Boeing's commercial airplane unit in the United States. The original version of the 747 had 2.5 times greater capacity than the Boeing 707, one of the common large commercial aircraft of the 1960s. First flown commercially in 1970, the 747 held the passenger capacity record for 37 years. The four-engine 747 uses a double-deck configuration for part of its length. It is available in passenger, freighter and other versions. Boeing designed the 747's hump-like upper deck to serve as a first-class lounge or extra seating, and to allow the aircraft to be easily converted to a cargo carrier by removing seats and installing a front cargo door. Boeing did so because the company expected supersonic airliners to render the 747 and other subsonic airliners obsolete, while the demand for subsonic cargo aircraft would be robust well into the future. The 747 was expected to become obsolete after 400 were sold, but it exceeded critics' expectations with production passing the 1,000 mark in 1993. By November 2015, 1,519 aircraft had been built, with 20 of the 747-8 variants remaining on order. The 747-400, the most common passenger version in service, has a high subsonic cruise speed of Mach 0.85–0.855 with an intercontinental range of 7,260 nautical miles. The 747-400 passenger version can accommodate 416 passengers in a typical 3-class layout, 524 passengers in a typical 2-class layout, or 660 passengers in a high-density 1-class configuration. The newest version of the aircraft, the 747-8, is in production and received certification in 2011. Deliveries of the 747-8F freighter version to launch customer cargo LUX began in October 2011. Deliveries of the 747-8 high passenger version to Lufthansa began in May 2012. The 747 is to be replaced by the Boeing Y3 in the future.